such a sight to see in the month of June. Beautiful like the moon's reflection when it's passing off your skin. And before you let me in, I hear you say, it's been a long time.
With the realness. My door closed. I don't like that shit. Somebody will sneak up on the bitch. Bitch, don't sneak up on me, ho. Cause I came through. Okay. What's in the box? Tell me what's in the box. Let me show you hoes what I got. Oh. 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 Yeah. Finally got some Fenty. Got some Fenty. A bitch finally got some Fenty. Woo, this bitch done finally restocked. And you know what? It's actually, I didn't even buy this. My sister bought me this for Grwm. So y'all know it is now January 11th. And I have had this makeup since December 25th, and I have not used it, not even opened the package. I have not even used it because I wanted to come on here and show y'all, you know, what it's working with a regular, degular, schmegular, falegular girl with the Fenty. Okay, now you know E is El Cheapo. So I don't really spend a lot of money when it comes to makeup, but I did want to support my girl Rihanna and get some Fenty because first of all, people are always raving about the shit and that is the bomb and people are adding it in their everyday. Am I gonna add it in my everyday? Hell no, because it's too much to add it in everyday. This is for occasions. Hello? This is for occasions. Okay, I said occasions. $40. What you think? Cute? But anyways, makeup. But it's too much money. Okay, so this is just occasion makeup when you going out on a little day or you going out at night. You know, you going into the town and you want to be extra for you. But going to work, boo, we gonna stick to Black Radiance. Okay, Fenty is in the color 450. Okay, my color is 450. I don't know if it's my color. I think it looks pretty matchy, but they did say that like this shit oxidized, like when I was watching reviews and stuff, that it oxidized. You hoes like racks, so do y'all like my racks? That's why I was like, you know what, let me go put a rack in my background for these hoes, because they like racks. Okay, they like to see stuff on the back of a rack and all this bullshit. So I was like, let me add a rack or whatever so I can get with it or whatever. What y'all think? Cute? I think it's cute. But anyway, so I just had to throw that in there. I knew that I would be a 440 or up, and I did want to get a 440 since I did hear that it does, like I said, oxidize, but that shit wasn't available. And my sister kind of snuck it in. She was like, bitch, damn, how about they don't got, my friend was asking, you know, that, you know, what kind of color she should use, and she about your complexion, and she got like yo kind of face, and she looked just like you. Bitch, you talk about me. But anyway, like I said, I got it as a gift, and it's Fenty by Rihanna. Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. Okay, super cute or whatever. And it is in the shade 450. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this. Girl, I guess you should have got your brushes though. You talking about you finna jump right into this, but you ain't got no brushes. All right, so it's Real Deal Holyfield. Okay, because you know with cheap hoes, they like to give you knockoffs. Hold on. So I'm gonna use my regular brushes. Y'all know I got them regular ass. Oh, y'all probably don't know. Well, maybe y'all do. I don't know if I put up that video yet, but I got some regular ass Wish brushes, and they cool and all, but them bitches broke me out, so I'm not gonna use them. I'm just gonna use my regular brushes because I ain't got time, because I need my makeup to stay on. All right, so nobody used it. It's brand new. Because you know hoes like to return. I guess I'll do my eyebrows off camera real fast, and then I'll come back. That's probably what I should do. so I can be ready. So that's what I do. Just give me a second. Let me tell y'all this. So since I had got the foundation for Christmas, I did get into the but I did get into the makeup spirit, and I did want to go ahead and get some things that match the foundation. So I did stop by Sephora, and I got the Fenty Rihanna Stunner Lip. It's called Uncensored. So I did get that, and then I also got the Rihanna Fenty Beauty, what is it called again? The Matchstix, and this one is in the color focus Suede. So I'm gonna use both of those on this little what is this that they gave me? I don't even know what this is. Eye cream. Okay, they put some shit in my bag that I didn't even notice. My bad. Okay, let me take that out, because y'all know I use samples. Okay, they gave me some samples that I did not know I had, but I will be using those samples. You ain't got to worry. So both of those items were about $20. The matchstick was $25, and the Stunner lip paint was $24. So that's deep for a bitch, because I'm usually spending $4, not $24. So okay, so that was two pumps. Let's see. Oh, hold up. Oh, bitch got some money, oh. I think I need one more pump. One more pump. I don't think I needed that, but whatever. Don't trip, because I know you want to push up on it. Okay, well, first of all, it's fucking smooth as fuck, and it like doesn't gunk. Look at my brush. If I was using like my regular brush, like, you know, with my regular cheap makeup, this shit would be like full of makeup, like, and this shit is still fluffy. It's not like gunky. And when I use cheap makeup, I don't know what the hell keeps it on your face and out of the brush, but it damn sure did that, because it's mostly on my face. And when I use my cheap makeup, it's mostly on my brush. I mean that covered my whole face, and that was three pumps total. So this shit is gonna last me a long ass time. Stick. Y'all already done seen these shits with all these other hoes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on here. Y'all know I normally don't even contour. I usually just when I contour, I usually just not contour. When contour, right? Highlight, contour, same damn difference. When I contour, I usually just bake. I usually don't even contour. So I know this matchstick is probably going to last me a long time. Because I don't really like to contour, highlight, whatever the case may be. Actually, like with makeup, because it takes too much time. I don't have that much time in the world. Like, I'm not finna sit here and do this every single time it's time for me to do my makeup. Are you fucking serious? I'm not about to do that, bitch. I got shit to do. I got a real job. Not a real, you know, I ain't trying to be funny, but I got a job. I ain't got time to do this every damn, bitch. I be late as hell to the damn shuttle, trying to get to the damn airport, because I'm around here doing this shit on my face in the room like this. Why? Anyway, so that's the Matchstick. That's Suede. Let me put that over here in my expensive section, not with my regular makeup. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it in with my beauty blender. This ain't no damn beauty blender. This is, I don't know what the hell this is, but it's a knockoff, which is cool, girl, because you know I fucks with the knockoff. Okay, should have, damn, I ain't zoom in this whole time. I'm sorry, y'all. Sorry, I could have zoomed in, but oh no, that's too much. Okay, that's good. Anyway, so I could have I mean, I would buy this makeup because it's not that expensive, but it's not cheap either. I was watching this girl and she do these bomb ass eyeshadow look. She do these bomb ass eyeshadow look, and she put out this palette, right? She put out this palette because I only have a cheap ass eyeshadow palette, so a lot of the looks that she does, I can't even fucking do it because my eyeshadow don't even stick like that. But anyway, so she pulled out this eyeshadow palette and said, yeah, this eyeshadow palette, it's not really that expensive. You know, it's $36. I said, bitch, what? $36 is not expensive? What the hell? She said, it's not that expensive. Girl, I almost fucking had a stroke right then and there. But she was just like, oh, it's not that expensive, but it's not that cheap either. And I'm thinking to myself, this whole crazy. I'm getting over a cold, y'all. I'm sorry. Please forgive me for sniffing like that. That's nasty. I might go ahead and buy some expensive eyeshadow palette because it's an occasion. But just every day, I'm supposed to be digging in the goddamn palette that cost me $36. Oh, you crazy. I can't. So that's the matchstick. So that's the damn foundation and the matchstick. Everything else is not gonna be Fenty. So because the only thing I have left that's Fenty is the lipstick. So lip paint. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my makeup with all my other stuff. And then I'll come back to y'all when I'm done so that y'all can see the the lipstick.
I don't really want it back, I'm just wanna roll it. Hold up, nigga, don't you owe me, yeah, you owe me doing it. Like on my island of a vendor, I stay rolling. You tryna diss me, I need you 6 feet. She said she miss me, then she wanna kiss me. Damn, I'm so crispy, Zan, got me busy. All day I wait for a phone, ain't leaving out, bro. I had to clean out the sewer. Know you look down, but I know I'm going. Want me to buy you a bag, but is you worth it? Nah, I ain't perfect. Nah.
Girl, I'm gonna give you the respect that you earn. That you earn. Oh,
nigga, take whoever she liking herself fuck. Something ain't right, nigga. If I ain't wrong, get me right. Let's throw a party, we ain't gonna fight. Run, nigga. We got some down on the fire, fly, nigga.
ooh, chocolate, come through, chocolate, come through, chocolate, come through, chocolate.
Hour Monday through Friday from 3 to 6 p.m. and late night happy hour Sunday through Thursday from
So now we're gonna go in with the what is this? Uncensored. I'm gonna lie, I already used the shit and it's fucking popping. But I got something that's $10 to $12 cheaper that's gonna fuck you up, sis. Sis, it's a little bit more expensive. Yes, I know it's not $6 or $4 or maybe even $1. But it's $14. And if you like me, that's already kind of expensive. Like $14 for some fucking lipstick. But sis, it's gonna get you together. It's gonna, if you like red, you need to go get this. But I'm not gonna tell y'all in this video. I got a video coming up for that, okay? Because it's everything. I'm not lying. But anyway, back to this. Let's go ahead and put this stunner on. These lashes are cute, but they weren't worth $5. I spent $5 on these lashes. They're not worth $5. But anyway, damn stroke, not putting it back in my I gotta get these smile lines together though.
Yeah. Thinking about them licks I had to. Thinking about the viewers that I had to.